If you think stocks are gambling, this video might change your mind. Most people avoid stocks because they think it's risky, complicated, or only for rich people. But stocks are actually simple. They're just a way for normal people to grow money over time. In this video, I'll explain stocks in the easiest way possible. No jargon, no hype, just the basics every beginner should know. What are stocks? A stock is a small piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you own a tiny part of that business. If the company grows, your piece becomes more valuable. So instead of only working for money, your money starts working for you. That's the idea. Why people invest in stocks? People invest in stocks for three main reasons. First, growth. As companies grow, stock prices usually rise over time. Second, dividends. Some companies pay investors a share of their profits. Third, protection against inflation. Cash loses value over time. Stocks help money grow faster in the long run. Why stock prices move? Stock prices move because of supply and demand. If more people want to buy, prices go up. If more people want to sell, prices go down. Prices are affected by company performance, news, the economy, and emotions like fear and greed. That's why short-term prices jump around. But long-term investing is more stable. Investing vs trading. This part is important. Trading is short-term. People buy and sell quickly to chase price movements. Investing is long-term. You buy strong companies and hold them for years. For beginners, long-term investing is safer and less stressful. You don't need perfect timing. You need patience. How beginners can start. Here's a simple approach. Start small. You don't need a lot of money. Focus on strong companies or broad market index funds. Invest regularly, not emotionally. And think long-term. Ignore daily price changes. Time in the market beats timing the market. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Investing money you need soon. Panicking when prices drop. Following hype on social media. Expecting quick profits. Putting all money into one stock. Slow and steady wins here. Stocks aren't gambling when you understand them. They're simply ownership in real businesses. Start small. Stay consistent. Be patient. That's how wealth is built.